everyone, it's Beres. Let's have a quick look in my fridge. Right, almond milk, nice and healthy. Some olives, spring onions, great. Always love some peppers, especially the red ones. Pak choy, green Chinese veggies, lovely. You should try it. Always have some asparagus, love the stuff grilled. And we've got the superfood, the broccoli. Cucumbers always easy, mostly water but nice. And we've got some more black olives, too many of these in the house. Always have an abundance of spinach. And I love smoothies, so when I'm lazy, I just pick out one of these. Got some tofu there, look at that, it's vegan. And hummus. I eat far too much hummus, but I love the stuff. We always have a mango in my household. And avocado. Everyone's crazy about this at the moment.